Hey there, it's your Karma guy here. Check out this rare 550 with the M Sport package and incredibly low miles, only 51K. It comes with current Georgia state emissions and a solid dealer service history, plus recent service valued at over $1,050 and the original books. As a dealer certified pre-owned vehicle, it's backed by our Quality Plus warranty for 3 months or 3,000 miles. You can also grab a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price at the time of sale. Don't forget to ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade option when you buy. Recent services include new spark plugs, a thorough pre-delivery inspection, an air filter, and a fresh oil and filter change. As always, we encourage pre-purchase inspections. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to own a rare gem.